Hello, everybody. We are going for a little walk down by the river to see the trees. And, yep, they're all frozen. The sun's not shining, so you can't really tell. Yeah. Winter Wonderland. Wish that sun would come out. Looks like we're not the only ones down here. There's a guy with a dog ahead of us. I didn't even put Max's collar on him. I figured we probably wouldn't see anybody. It's pretty cold. Had to get out of the house for a little bit. Wow. You can hear the water lapping on the shore a little bit. There's a lot of factory sounds around here. What's that sound, Max? You hear that? Look at these. Am I making anybody cold? They're all frozen. You can imagine how beautiful it would be if that sun would be out. It is just cloudy today. I don't think it's going to come out. If it does, I'll run back down here and we'll take some videos. Look at the grass is frozen. Must be awfully cold on his feet. Trying to walk down to the water. Hopefully the snakes are all hibernating. This is basically the only time you can really walk down here because it's usually muddy. Wow, here's a bunch of rocks. Be amazing to find an arrowhead. Glass, but it's not old, I don't think. Well, we've come this far. It's not slippery. I've got on my pink polo rain boots. Those suckers, you can't fall down in these boots. Well, I won't say that, but they've got some sturdy bottoms. Oh, there goes a barge. No wonder it's so noisy here. And things are kind of noisy. Sometimes. Sometimes they're quiet. This one's kind of noisy. Still think that would be a great job. Look at these trees. You'd think they'd fall over. Their roots are above the ground because it floods so much down here. Now, driftwood, if you find driftwood, it's worth money. That's a nice piece of wood. It's got ice on it. This is driftwood right here. It sure is. Oh, it's solid. I'll have to remember where this is and come back and get it when it's not frozen to the ground. Yeah, driftwood goes for a lot of money. There's always ways to make money by finding things in the wilderness. And people are interested in different things. Feels kind of good out here, actually. Being inside so much kind of feels good to have fresh air in my lungs. Max, now you stay here, baby. Oh, it's nice down here. That's kind of neat. Oh, it's mud. I thought it was rocks. Alright, my face is about getting frozen here. It's gonna look like this wood here in a minute. Ready to go? Get your feet frozen? Alright, let's head straight up. I love these boots, man. They were worth $12. Little green things trying to come up. Like I said, I hope the snakes are all frozen, just hibernating somewhere. Look at this. I don't know about this pile of rocks or a pile of logs here. Let's just finding a better way. Okay, meet you up there, Max. Well, I like to wear high rubber boots anyway, in case something does jump out and bite you. I don't know if you get bit when it's this cold and freezing. Oh, these snakes are... Yeah, let's head back. My face are frozen. My nose is getting frozen. Woo! Turn the camera around. Hi guys. I got my hat on and another hat on. Woo! Feels good though. Not too bad if you dress for it. I'll probably put a scarf on next time around my face. I have plenty of warm stuff to wear. I just wasn't planning on coming down here. Oh, I want that sun to come out so bad. Look at that. This whole chair is covered with ice. The whole thing is solid ice. Okay, Max, let's go home. I went to the store to get some stuff. I'm gonna make some banana bread, and I love pecans in it. So I had to go get pecans. And while I was out, I thought I'd go ahead and get the stuff for my chicken pot pie. And so we're gonna head back home. Looks like there's a path here. This is where it opens up. There's a path. Huh. Yeah, it tells the depth of the river here. Cool. Okay, we're heading back. Whoa. This is about 4 blocks from my house. Yeah, I live, I'd say 4 blocks from the river. My car has icicles all over it. Look, it's funny. I still have my Florida license plate. Look at that. Come on, Max. That's crazy. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed our walk. Much love to you guys. I'm just amazed by how much my car is frozen. Love you all.